Hi everyone, welcome to Parnu, Estonia. So this is just a brief video that I recorded of the city back in August 2023. So Parnu is the fourth biggest city of Estonia and it's known as the summer capital of Estonia, so it's kind of the beach resort of the country. Do make sure you click like and click subscribe, it really does help the channel out, so do that right now. And also do click the description and have a look at the links in the description, as there may be some interesting travel deals, discounts and other interesting things that you may be interested in looking at. So as you can see, the old town has very nice architecture. It's a very chilled town, very chilled place. I definitely recommend it. Quite pricey, as is most of Estonia. It's not a cheap country, but it's a very nice atmosphere, as you can see. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and do click like and subscribe.